Hey there, it's Acer and Ollie, back with another video.
Hello guys.
Yep, and today...
Something a bit different.
Yes. Ollie is going to drive
This is
a
my
Suzuki.
car, guys.
Look at the number plate.
1.6.
A dog, German Shepherd dog.
1.6 this is. It's not the nicest colour, but again it was quite cheap and I got it to drive around the field. So, you know.
Yep, and we'll show you the course and let's get it. Okay.
So first of all guys, we'll do a lap of the track, just to show you what it's like. Seatbelts on, safety first.
Yep, just in case you crash. Cool, it's hard to plug in, bit stiff.
Are you ready guys?
Yep.
I'll turn around because this isn't the way I normally drive. That's my orchard. That's my orchard. So this is like the main corner of the track.
Yep.
If that's what
He's
you'd like
got
to
a
call it.
pretty big track and he's just done this yesterday. It was 3 hours lawning all of it, weren't you?
Yeah. Oh, this little corner. I've got to do the rest yet.
Oh yeah. Go!
So this is the straight. We'll go a bit slow straight away.
Yeah, go slow.
And then we just go up this hill into third, and then we hit the intersection. This is the fun bit.
I didn't see that coming.
We did miss the corner bit, but we'll go around that again. This is a little another intersection bit, so you can like hit the apex on each corner, and then come round here and swing it back. Sorry for the mess. This bit will be. This is the next bit to be mowed down.
He has just got a new bike as well. Well.
Oh yeah, a stomp frame Demon engine, 140 fully race tuned to 160. Pretty nice, and I've got a Quadzilla 250 as well.
Yes, and I'm going to bring my Apache quad down. It's automatic for this weekend, so we can just drive about. And we're going to have a couple of friends with us soon.
Yeah, and some holidays,
Yep.
which is like just over 4 weeks away.
Yeah.
This time, guys, we'll do a little launch. Show them the start signs. Well, they don't really start sign, the little posts.
Yeah.
Show them the gear stick. So up here we have 4 high, 4 low, and 2-wheel drive. For this, I shall be in 4 high because you can get a lot of revs in 4-wheel drive. And then we'll just do the straight bit, but I won't do the intersection this time.
Okay.
So you hold the revs up with your foot on the clutch, and then dump it like that.
Oh,
Three
your head
thousand
went back
into
there.
second. Hit 3,000 revs into third. Come up to the corner.
You nearly
Into
took it.
second.
First time I didn't trust him, but now I trust him. Next time, do the thing. They won't see it coming. It's got a pretty big track, I think.
It's about 3 acres, just under.
Is it your land?
No, 7 acres altogether.
Cool.
This field's just about 3.
That's 7 acres. We've got 6 acres. We do, and it's like 3 massive fields.
And then we pop it into fourth, like that.
Soon he'll be sleeping around mine, and we do stuff with YouTube as well, won't we, Ollie?
Yep.
Got
So
lots
we
of
just
things.
come around the intersection bit,
And
and then we go around the corner, and then no, straight into the field.
Oh, sorry, man. Sorry, builder. I didn't mean to ruin your farm. Stupid potatoes, whatever they are.
Birds. We're going to hit these yellow signs, we're going to floor it.
Ready,
25, 30, 35, 40, 42 miles an hour.
Oh, legendary, mate.
Or fall back into the sit out.
What's he
Luckily,
doing?
I've had quite a lot of years' experience with this, so I could manage to keep it.
How old have you been driving?
Well, I started driving with my dad when I was about 2 years, no, 6 years old.
I don't know, obviously 1 year old.
Yeah, but
You were sitting on his lap doing the steering.
when I started driving by myself when I was about 10. So, yeah.
Nice.
And I did just have a 2.5 litre BMW, and you're probably thinking, why would you sell
Yeah.
that for this Suzuki? but the answer is because the BMW's engine was knackered.
Yeah. Pretty
Couldn't really turn that into a drift project, whereas this has four-wheel drive, so you can go in farmers' fields like we just did, but then just in the wet have some fun and drift, and it's real good to be honest. Oh, there's an intersection bit, we'll do that.
What?
Bit of reversing.
Yep, reverse. Okay, I'm alright.
Showing second into the little into a second.
And soon I'm going to take my either animal truck or my Peugeot down these so I can learn how to drive that. Oh, there's a birdie. No, I'm joking. Oh, look at that bird.
Look at the bird.
Right, Lesh.
Yes, so that is it for this
Video.
episode, or this video.
Yep.
I don't know how long this one will be. It'll be uploaded sometime probably in the next weekend at my father's.
Yep. So like and subscribe.
Put down in the comments if you want anything new.
Yeah.
We'd love to hear your stories.
Goodbye.